Hey guys, Micah here with Electrek, and today we're reviewing the GOTRAX Shift S1 electric bicycle. Let's go for a ride. The GOTRAX Shift S1 folding electric bicycle is an affordable commuter machine. For just $799, you get a 20-mile-per-hour e-bike with both throttle control and pedal assist options. The Shift S1 is not going to blow you away with its specs. It has fairly standard components, including mechanical V-brakes, a front 350-watt hub motor, and an LED speed selector. There are no integrated lights or LED speedometer, or gears, or even a kickstand. But what you do get is a lightweight e-bike that works well and would make an excellent commuter bike. The Shift S1 folds up for portability and includes Velcro straps on the handlebars to keep it together in the folded position. The 16-inch wheels are large enough to roll over bumps and improve the ride over surface imperfections, but not so large as to add unnecessary weight to the 37-pound or 16-kilogram e-bike. The small wheels also keep the bike size down, so it is easy to maneuver inside and in tight quarters. The thumb throttle is comfortable and differs from most cheaper rotational throttles. Instead, you push the thumb throttle forward, which feels more natural to me, so that's a win in my book. The top speed of the Shift S1 is 20 miles per hour and is certainly adequate for a commuter e-bike. You'll probably spend more time in the bike lane and less time dicing it up with cars, but that's alright. You can't really expect to go much faster than 20 miles per hour on a 36-volt and $799 e-bike. The battery is only 187 watt-hours, so it won't take you too terribly far. They rate it at 15 miles of range, but that's with pedal assist. I get closer to 10 miles of range on throttle alone. That's still enough for most city commutes. The battery is also tiny, like small enough to fit in your pocket. No joke. It's one of the physically smallest e-bike batteries I've ever seen. Plus, it's got a USB charging output, which means you can toss it in your backpack and use it to charge your devices like a phone or tablet. Speaking of tossing it in your bag, you'll want to do that when you park. The battery doesn't lock to the bike, it's just held with a post on the seat clamp, so you can't leave it on your bike unattended. But it's so small that it should be easy to fit in any bag, or even in your pocket. All in all, I've been quite happy with the Shift S1 e-bike. Could it have some nicer parts like integrated lights or disc brakes? Sure, but then it'd be hard to keep the price down to just $799, which is a pretty darn good price for a lightweight folding electric bike. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that review helpful. Make sure you hit like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see all of Electrek's electric vehicle videos. See you next time, everyone.